Hi guys, we will share with you some information before we start to repair this. This is engine computer Audi TT 2002 1.8 liter engine. One of our customers brought the vehicle here and asked us to program the engine computer. We hook up the scanner. We recognize that no communication. After review some information from the customer, we recognize that somebody else previously was working on it, and that condition of the memory EEPROM we found in this spot. We understand the person who was trying to repair this computer, he chose one of the methods what I would not recommend if you don't have experience, but definitely should work. He wanted swap EEPROM from old module and install to the new one. And during the swap in the EEPROM, he damaged all position space of the EEPROM, and the engine control module stopped communicate. Before to show you guys how I restore this position, I want to show you the very quickly and easy technique how you can avoid the problem like that. How you can unsolder the component on the board with no damage the board and with no cost to the customer major damage about the money. Okay, the first video will focus how to unsolder EEPROM and how to solder it back and should not damage any components. And the second video will work how to restore the damage like that. If we would recommend, but in our case we don't have any choice. In our area we cannot order different computer, and we choose these options to restore the position of the EEPROM who keep the immobilizer data. Okay, start from the unsolder. For that purpose I will use similar module from Mercedes G55. They are pretty similar board and exactly same EEPROM. Let's start.